Hussein Hariri is a former Egyptian assistant foreign minister. Sir, you're joining us from Cairo. We also want your point of view on this. As we said, Qatar and Egypt, both mediators between Israel and Hamas on this. I'm not sure how much of that press conference you were able to hear. The outline of the deal that the spokesperson gave us is that there would be a 60-day ceasefire. There would be a repositioning of Israeli forces. Meron Rapaport is an editor and writer at Local Call. That's an Israeli news website. Meron, you're back with us from Tel Aviv. So the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ultimately is going to be the decider of this, right? He has to decide now whether he wants to accept the ceasefire deal that Hamas has signed on to, which is apparently, according to the Qatari mediators, very, very similar, almost identical to the deal that Israel was willing to accept about a month and a half ago. Run us through what you think his